Chime's virtual card is a digital Visa debit card linked to your checking account, primarily for online purchases and contactless in-store payments via mobile wallets. However, direct ATM withdrawals require a physical card insertion. Chime does not currently support cardless ATM access for virtual cards as of 2025. Instead, use workarounds like cashback at stores or transfers to apps with cardless options. Always ensure your app is updated for security. No Chime cardless ATMs. Despite 60,000 plus fee-free ATMs, Allpoint, MoneyPass, Visa Plus Alliance, withdrawals still need the physical Chime debit card. However, as I said, there is a workaround. Workarounds for cash, access, cashback at retailers. Add virtual card to Apple Pay or Google Pay. Shop at Walgreens, CVS, or Walmart. Request from $20 to $100 cashback at checkout. No extra fee. Select debit. Enter PIN if prompted. Transfer to other apps. Send funds via ACH to Cash App or PayPal, then withdraw at supported ATMs, for example, Cash App cardless at Walgreens. Instant transfers may incur fees. Order physical card. In the Chime app, go to Cards. Order physical card. Free, arrives in 7 days.
Use for fee-free ATM withdrawals up to $515 per day.
Steps to set up. Virtual card for indirect use. Open Chime app, tap Profile. Cards for details. Add to Wallet, Apple Pay, Wallet app, plus icon, or Google Pay, add card. Verify with push notification. Tips. Monitor balance via app alerts. For urgent cash, visit a retailer.